Here we have a men's hiking boot that's waterproof, non-slip, lightweight. It's made for outdoor use. It's waterproof, non-slip, lightweight with a mid-top ankle design. This is 100% synthetic with a rubber sole, waterproof and comfortable. This hiking boot features a waterproof membrane construction, keeping water elements out, at the same time allowing the inside to breathe, keeping you dry and comfortable no matter what the conditions. Also has a built-in rubber toe cap, reinforced heel that is designed for anti-collision, also strengthening the stability of the shoe, which gives your ankle more protection. Removable, flexible insole, it offers arch support and helps reduces fatigue on your feet with each step. Adjustable lace-up design to ensure foot fit and prevent sprains. The sole has an anti-slip and wear-resistant, multi-directional traction. Rubber sole improves lasting comfort and durability, which can bring reliable and stable grip in any outdoor terrain. There's no more slipping or falling on wet or muddy surfaces. To me, this boot is perfect for daily work, outdoor activities like hiking, hunting, camping, fishing, trekking, traveling, and so on. I'm personally going to use it as a light work boot, walking around the house, doing lawn and care maintenance, doing light construction, and it's also great for those hiking trips and maybe a little winter activity, snow shoveling. With the padded tongue and collar, it protects your feet and ankle from rubbing and wraps the ankle to prevent sprains. That delivers slip-resistant, widely spaced lugs, offer good traction, and shed mud more easily. Don't have to worry about the shoelaces because they're durable design, and with a max tension of the shoelaces can be up to 600 N. Don't be afraid of water splashes because this is completely waterproof and is ideal for moderate moist conditions. Not only is this functional, but it's very stylish and very comfortable. Easy to get on and off your feet. I really enjoy these boots, and you will too.